Hello my dear students, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about area of parallelograms. First, what is a parallelogram? Look at this shape. This shape is four sides as you see. It looks somehow like a rectangle, but it's not exactly a rectangle. This is a parallelogram with four sides. Each two opposite sides are parallel and equal in length, and the angles are two of them are obtuse angles and two of them are acute angles. So a parallelogram has something called base. What is a base? A base of a parallelogram can be any one of its sides. So this side can be called a base, or this side, or that side, or that side. There is something called a height in a parallelogram. As you see here, the height is the perpendicular distance from the base to the opposite side. And the word perpendicular makes 90 degrees as here. So the area A of a parallelogram is the product of its base B and its height H. And the product means that we multiply the base B times the height H. So here is the formula or the rule for the area of parallelogram equals A equals BH. A stands for area and B stands for base and H stands for height. And this means that the area can be calculated by multiplying the base times the height of the parallelogram. Example, find the area of the parallelogram shown here. This parallelogram has no dimensions written, but we can get the dimensions because it is already drawn on a grade paper with squares. So, first step, I always prefer to write the formula of the parallelogram of the area. A equals B H. Again, what is the B? Base. We look at the side from where the height is dropped. So, here is the base. So, I'm going to count the squares to get how many units is the base. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, the B equals 6. The H is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So H is 8. So I'll multiply 6 times 8 to get 48 square units. So the area here is 48 square units. Another example. Find the area of the parallelogram shown here. Here we have 4 meters in the base. We have 17 meters on this side and 16 meters, and this is the height. So what we are going to do is first again we write A equals B H. What is the B? The B is 4. So here we write 4 and multiplied by H. Where is the H? Of course it is the 16. So in this case, we do not use the 17 meters. It's only given to us, but we will not use it. So A equals 4 times 16. So A, which is the area, equals 64. And we write here meter square because this is an area. So we write here the meter power 2. Another example. Find the missing dimension of the parallelogram. Okay, here you are given the area and you're given the base, and we need to find out what is the H. This is the missing dimension, so we need to find the missing dimension. So again we write here the rule, which is A equals B H. A is 45 inch squares, so we write here 45 equals B is 9 and H is unknown, so we write here H as unknown. So here we have an equation, multiplication equation, 45 equals 9H. To find out H, we divide both sides by 9, as we learn how to solve equations in unknown H. So H equals 45 divided by 9 equals 5, and of course 5 inches. Last example. Romila is painting a replica of the national flag of Trinidad and Tobago for a research project. Find the area of the black stripe. Look at this flag. In this flag we have a black stripe here, and this black stripe is in the form or in the shape of a parallelogram, as you see. You are given some dimensions here. You're given here 6 3/4, and here you are given 12. Okay, if this is a parallelogram, the 6 3/4 is the base, as you see. And of course, what is this? It's perpendicular on the base. So this side 12 is the height. So 12 is the height and 6 3/4 is the base. From that we can find out the area of the parallelogram. Let me note something here before I find out the area. The height here in this parallelogram is drawn outside the parallelogram, but it is a height of the parallelogram. So A equals BH. B is 6 3/4, and it's multiplied by H, which is 12. Sorry. So remember how to multiply a mixed number times a whole number. First we get the mixed number to be a fraction, then we multiply it by the whole number. To do this, we multiply 6 times 4 is 24 plus 3, 27 over 4, multiplied by 12. We can make this over 1, and we multiply 27 times 12 over 4. We can cancel or cross out the 12 with the 4 to get 3, and what remains is 27 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. Carry up 2. 2 times 3, 6 plus 2 is 81 inch square. Hope you understand. Please like the video, comment if any comments, and subscribe to the next video. Bye.